Put the fucking mic on. Mic is on. Joe cracked the dawn, Irv Gotti, Ashanti, Terror Squad. Be about us, be about you.
What's love?
Got to do it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about just me. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about just me. What's love?
Slow down, baby. Let you know from the gate, I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips and licks her lips. She could be the office type, but like the strip. Girl, you get me aroused, how you look in my eye. But you talk too much, man, you're ruining my high. I don't wanna lose the feeling, cause the roof is ceiling is on fire. And you looking good for the gettin', I'm a rider. Whether in a hoodie or a linen, a provider. You should see the jury on my women, and I'm living it up. The squad stay filling the truck with chicks that's willing to trizz with us. You say you got a man and you're in love, but what's love gotta do with a little menage? After the party, me and you could just slide for a few, and she could come too. That's love.
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about just me. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about just me.
Mommy, I know you got issues. You got a man, but you need to understand that you got something with you. Ass is fat, frame is little. Tattoo in your chest with his name in the middle. I'm not a hater, I'll just crush a lie. In the way you shake your booty, I don't want you to stop. You need to come a little closer. And let me put you under my arms like a dawn is supposed to. Please believe you leave with me. We be freaking all night like we was on E. You need to trust the God and jump in the car for a little heartache at the Taj Mahal. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about just me. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about just me.
Yo, I stroll in the club with my hat down, Michael Jack style. High stepping, who the Mac now? Not my fault that they love the kid. Might be the chain or the whip, I don't know what it is. We just party and bullshit. Come on, mommy, put your body in motion. You got a nigga open. You came here with the heart to cheat, so you need to sing the song with me. All my ladies, come on.
Look in your eyes, there's no stopping me. I want the Doncho and crack on top of me. Don't want your stacks, just break my back. Gonna cut you no slack, cause I'm on it like that. Come on, and put it on me.
Put it on you, girl.
On me.
I'ma put it on you, girl.
What's love?
Got to do with